let's see, one song that's not sung very often that we did the last time we practiced was Frank Lesser. Frank Lesser wrote Guys and Dolls, the great Broadway musical that's been done a number of times. But he also wrote a great song called What Are You Doing New Year's Eve? And it's not done very often, and we thought we would do that. Because New Year's Eve isn't given quite as much credit as a holiday as Christmas or Christmas Eve. Maybe it's much too early in the game. Oh, but I thought I'd ask you just the same. What are you doing New Year's? New Year's Eve. Wonder whose arms will hold you good and tight when it's exactly 12 o'clock that night. Welcoming in the New Year's Eve. Maybe I'm crazy to suppose I'd be the one that you chose out of 1,000 invitations that you received. I stand one little chance. Here comes that jackpot question in advance. What are you doing New Year's? New Year's Eve. Crazy to suppose I'd be the one that you chose out of 1,000 invitations that you receive. Oh, but in case I stand one little chance, here comes that jackpot question in advance. What are you doing New Year's? New